What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. We are starting to lay some decking down here. We got the Deckorators Costa going down. So we're gonna get all of our field boards down here. This part's gonna go pretty quick, but in this video, we're also gonna be covering how we build out these really cool columns, which are gonna be cladded with Deckorators 3.5 Khaya boards. It's gonna be really sweet. Pat, you excited? Kinda? Okay, we can work with that. So make sure you hit subscribe. Make sure you hit subscribe. Stay tuned. So what we do here to get started, first thing we do is snap a line across the front of the deck. We always start with full boards here. We're gonna need a rip by the house anyway because we've got some, parts of the foundation that are a little bit uneven. So we're gonna start here. We start putting it in with some plug screws, and then we start with our clips. And this part goes really quick. We're gonna have this down in the matter of probably about an hour. Then we'll show you how we cut in our borders, all of that kind of stuff, and show you the little parts of framing of how we did that so that it accepts those field boards and the border. Whoa! That was cool, wasn't it?
That's all you got?
That's all I got.
All right.
So we've got our columns built out here. You can see how simple this system is. We've just basically built two tiny little walls, and we've measured it so that it's the same on all sides. And then once we screw everything in there, we have pieces going all the way across and all the way down. That's gonna hold it all together. So we just need to build it out a tiny bit. The boards themselves are gonna lock it in for justice. How you doing, bud?
Good.
All right. Check out Ant, he's making an Instagram post.
Always triple check your work.
All right, so. My bad. So we've got our columns getting wrapped here. You saw all the pieces that we cut, that we pre-drilled. Now we're getting them installed. That was just a joke with the 3 levels, but we are checking it with 1 level to make sure that the front and the back are nice and level with each other. So when we go to connect them, everything lines up. You don't want to go around 3 sides and then realize something's not lining up and you got it all crooked. So make sure you pay very close attention to that, because by the time you figure it out, if you're not paying attention to it, it's going to be too late. What?
How many calories do you think hole digging burns?
Probably a lot.
Getting ripped.
So we got 3 holes marked out here. This is gonna be a trellis right here behind a sitting wall. We're waiting on that because it's supposed to snow in 2 days. So we're not gonna start digging this out yet. What do you got there, pal?
So at this particular project, the spigot shut off, so we don't have water. But that never stopped us before, because thankfully we got a creek that's full of water. Look at all that. So I fashioned up this bucket system. We're gonna throw this thing downstream. It's gonna fill up. I'm gonna lasso it on back in here. So I'm gonna make sure you got some stable ground so you don't go in the creek yourself. Swirl it for momentum. Drag her on in there. That's some good old-fashioned American water right there. Some concrete mixing water. Whew. We're gonna need to get more next time. It's not nearly enough.
Posts are just about done. All of the 3.5 pieces are almost up, but what goes on next, Anthony?
corners.
All right, now you can see, now you can't see, there's so much shadows. There you go. Okay, so you can see it just pre-drills this right here. So the screw's gonna go in an angle and it's gonna join the piece that goes here. Special bit, right?
Yeah, special bit.
The bit's gonna stop it.
It has this is for your thickness of your material. Then over here, the thickness of your material.
All right, just a little pre-drill down in there. It's gonna guide the screw right where it needs to go.
Awesome. So we have our pocket holes in. What I like to do is keep a little bit of a reveal, nothing major, and send it. And that's it. That's it.
Got these posts looking so good. We got the little Deckorators sconce light. Whew! This is our first time doing these Deckorators corners. Looks so nice. Nice detail. Next up is this trellis that we're building. This is gonna go behind a sitting wall, but we're gonna train some vines to grow up it. And we just have some 6x. We cut them all to the same height after we installed, and then just lagged in the 6x on top. Now we're pre-building these frames. We're building 2x4 shell on the outside that's gonna go inside both of those openings, and then we rip down 2x4s to 2x2s, and we're gonna put them inside in a grid pattern, and that way we can get some vines to grow up it. It's gonna be so beautiful. Oh, that looks so nice.
For wood to hit this thing with. Maybe a flat hammer, I don't know. Well, yeah, mine's just got the face on it. It leaves marks.
Looks good, nice job.
Got a waffle head on that.
It got a waffle.
Oh, are you in there, Jose?
Yeah.
You still in?
Yeah.
So negative.
Who's negative?
Negative right there.
Yeah, it's gotta go up a little bit.
Then you go up and then push more.
Yeah, I think it's gotta go up a little bit.
Looks like it's a little too low.
Yeah, it needs to go up a little bit. Which way do you think it needs to go?
Not down.
All right, it's good.
It's good.
It's gotta go up.
Yeah, it's gotta go up a little bit.
Nope, there you go. Send it.
I got no. I hold this thing.
I got it.
I got drilled this side.
Locked in for justice. Woo! 4-person operation. Don't attempt to build this unless you have 4 people on standby. That looks so nice. Here, you take this. Put the rest of the screws in it. This is going to be a A vine's playground.
So divine.
Hey, Sean, question.
Yes.
Although those vines are aesthetically pleasing, will over time they eventually cause structural damage?
Of course not. You know why?
Why?
We locked it in for justice.
Well, that's pretty much it for this vlog. On the next one, we are going to install this Techo block paver patio. Yes, in the middle of the winter. We're going to show you how we get that done. We're also going to finish up this pergola. Once it warms up a little bit, we'll get some landscaping in here, hopefully, and then I'm going to be off having a baby, so we're going to be taking a little bit of a break. So make sure you hit subscribe. We're going to need that revenue with another child, depending on this business.
Oh God.
But until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.